Viet Tiles cement tiles are not only flooring or wall cladding materials but also artistic accents, bringing vitality and personality to the kitchen space. With a variety of motifs, colors, and handmade patterns, Viet Tiles cement tiles create a nostalgic beauty mixed with modernity, suitable for many different interior styles, from vintage, retro to minimalist or modern. In the kitchen, the heart of the house, cement tiles help create a cozy, close feeling, while evoking memories of familiar old kitchens. The tile surface is waterproof, easy to clean, helping the kitchen to always be clean, luxurious, and sophisticated. The high durability of cement tiles helps you feel secure in using them for a long time without worrying about peeling or fading. Using Viet Tiles cement tiles on the kitchen wall or floor also helps separate the space, create visual accents, making the kitchen more lively and individual. Cement tiles are not only building materials but also symbols of creativity and the art of living in every corner of the house.